We are here on the project and we are unearthing. Now be very careful. Wiggle it very slowly. See if you can get it out. We've been...
Oh, I got it. Man, look at that.
Does it still have stuff in it?
Oh, what is that?
Oh.
That looks
Can you
like...
feel any design? Oh my gosh, it's not like a ketchup bottle, is it?
It might be a ketchup bottle. I don't know.
Wow. Good job. You saw just the very little tiny... Here, let's get it in the sun. You saw the very little bit of the tip of that, didn't you? Oh. You're an archaeologist. Now, without getting the goop all over, does it say anything on the bottom?
Hey, it has the same words as the jar.
We have a jar. Here, hold this. We found this jar that was just laying over there, and it's got down here, maybe this was the mustard. It's got this word that I can't read because it's dirty, and that bottle has the same... It looks like D-U-R-A-G-L-A-S, Duraglass. Oh, now that I said it out loud.
Duraglass.
How durable is that, Duraglass? I wonder if this company is still around. It's full of dirt, but this is like a little jelly jar or something. Awesome. Good job, you. Huh? My little archaeologist. Wow. Artifacts. It's okay that this is dripping out, but just be very careful that you don't get it on you, whatever it was, the sludge.
Very old ketchup.
Well, we don't know yet. Good job.